Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. This is a short English story for beginners. Please listen slowly and learn English easily. Now, let us start the story. My name is Anya, and I want to tell you a simple story. My own story. I was afraid to speak English. Yes, very afraid. I could understand some English, but when I tried to speak, my heart started beating fast. My hands felt cold. My voice became weak, and my mind went blank. In school and college, I stayed quiet. I did not raise my hand. I was scared of making mistakes and scared of people laughing. So I stayed silent. One day, my teacher said something important, and that changed my thinking. She said, "English is not about perfection. English is about communication." She smiled and said slowly, "It is okay to make mistakes." That day, I decided something. I will try. The next day, I spoke one small sentence. Just one. My sentence was simple. My name is Anya. My pronunciation was not perfect. My grammar was not perfect. But I spoke. Nobody laughed. Nobody judged me. They listened. That moment felt special. Slowly, day by day, I started speaking more. I spoke short sentences. I used easy words. And I practiced daily. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I felt nervous. But I did not stop. Today, I am still learning English. But I am not afraid anymore. I understood one thing. Confidence is more important than perfection. If you are afraid to speak English, remember this. You are not alone. Start slow. Use simple words. And believe in yourself. You can do it.